Hi everybody, welcome back to Everyday Life with Kim 25. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to talk about what is coming up on my video that I want to do. I'm going to do a new segment of health updates, so you know how I am doing, all my health, all my symptoms. I'm doing what do I take on trips, like clothes, food, pot of pans, that kind of stuff. So doing recipes, so you can see how I cook sometime, and I want to share my recipe to you. And then I also want to do what do I eat in a day, so you can really break it down. Oh, what I eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. So you can see, and then maybe you want to follow along and see what I eat, and I don't know, maybe it will help you. And then I also want to do my dad garden again. He doing more garden this year, and he doing different vegetables and fruit for me. And then I'm also doing what is a FODMAP diet for me. So what can and cannot eat, what are my new allergies, why am I on this FODMAP diet of mine, and just more of random stuff coming up. And I hope you like this video, like all my videos, comment if you have any question for me, and hit the bell so you know when I'm posting, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. That means so much to me. See you soon.